Hello, everyone. Thank you all so much for joining me today while shopping Hobby Lobby Christmas Decor Part 5. So, they added a lot of new beautiful decor out that we're going to look at, and we're going to get started. 23 for the LED lantern. So, we'll just keep looking at the decor as they are putting it on the shelves. 14, I love those. Those would be great bowl filler. Add some ornaments in there with it. 10. 14. We saw the neutral decor in another video, and this is part 5, so I'll link them all in the end and down below if you missed them and you're interested in checking out everything that they have stocked so far. And 17 and 16 for these garland. Everything coordinates very well together, and I love the look of this. And the bells, I can't wait to see all of the bells that they're putting out, hopefully soon. And I am also looking forward to the green decor as well. 17. 6 and 7 for the bows. I love that green color. 16. Now we saw this in the blue before, and now they have it in the brown and the green. This one is 12, so it's a little bit smaller. 13. So maybe we'll see some different sizes of each of the color trees. 11 and 7. 18. I do have a couple of those from previous year. 22. Nice, beautiful, icy deer. 10 for the joy. I love the bottom of that, the braiding on the bottom and with the wood. So pretty. These bells are great for floral arrangements. You can also clip them and twist tie them onto different things. Here's a few more picks. Not many, but 5. We'll keep checking. 16, and then 13 for the bows next to it, which we did see before. 10 for the red and green jingle bells and ornaments on there. 27, and then 11. 13 for those tree topper angels. 5, a couple different bases there. 14, nice Christmas plaid look. 16. 30. 14. Pretty bows with the gold trim. 8. That is a 2-pack. 23. I think that's so cute for the gingerbread theme. 11. And that would look really pretty paired with some pine garland or the cedar garland with the cute gingerbread bows sitting on it. 11. 10 for each. Do any of you do the gingerbread theme or the peppermint theme? Or candy cane? 10. Now these are the smallest ones. 10 for each. And then the even larger one for 23, there's a size difference to the one that we just saw. 17, and then 6 for the deer. 13. 12. 12, and then 14 for the smallest. There's an up-close size difference and a viewing at the texture. 14. 12 for each. 23, I love those. And those are big. I tried to show my hand behind it, but I think those are so pretty. 16. And you can also even tie your ornaments, like string them and dangle them from the ceiling, maybe with some mistletoe. 13. And 14 for the larger. Or maybe with some bells. 3. 6. 5. 5. I love how those look snowy. You can just taste the peppermint looking at those. 6. 8. 11. 'Can't wait to see what else they have to put out over there. 5 for each of these ornament cookies. 3 different designs. 3 different designs for these for 4. 5. You got the candy cane and the lollipop. 7. Peppermints or candy canes. 6. 6. And then 7 for the cookie sheets with the cookies on them. 2 different ones there. 7. Those houses are really cute. Great shelf decor, little accents when you're decorating. 12. Or you could add them to a little village. 9. 6. 11. 8. And now, do any of you do the hot cocoa bar? 17. It's a close-up. That mug on there looks really cute. 10. 12. 6. Now each of those are different. The mugs. 10. 9. You could probably DIY those if you have some old cookie cutters. 34 for Santa. 18. 10. 3 different ones. 15. 14. 11. 12. That's 2 different packs of ornaments there. 13 for the stack of gingerbread on the donut. 11. That's the front and back. 8. 17. I think they normally have another size of these. 16, 12, and 9 for the large, medium, and small. And all of these light up. And for now, the red, white, and green doesn't have the small one out, but I'm assuming they're going to add that one too. 16. 'And this gingerbread house lights up. 69 for the taller one. So the trees and the gingerbread houses all light up except the neutral tree in the back. But how cute that would all be together. Now with them working a lot and not much more out, I didn't really get to style as much as I had wanted to. but I'm looking forward to going back and hopefully getting to style some more and see a lot of more decor. I know they had so many bins out, and I'll show you in the end. They had it like the whole entire back of the store lined with bins that they were going to be putting out. And there were several employees there working, so I didn't really want to get in their way either. 16 and 22, they're pretty bright too. 12, they added just a few more things over here in this decor style, so I wanted to share them. And they added Santa, which I'm not sure why is so much bigger than Mrs. Claus there, but 15 for that croissant ornament. That's pretty large. That was really neat. 8. But there are so many bins, even more behind me, like double that, the entire back of the store. I can't wait to see what's in them. Thank you all so much for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day. See you next time.